So what we're looking at here is an inline oil filter. It's designed for the engine oil. And you offer these with a bypass, internal bypass, and without an internal bypass. And can you explain to us an application that this type of filter would be good for?
So if you have a race car and you need to run a dry sump system, or you don't have room for a factory spin-on filter, you can run one of these. They take up a little bit less space. You're able to plumb it a little bit easier. They offer great filtration. They have a cleanable element in them that's stainless. And then also we use these a lot in dry sump systems for filtering the oil before it goes back into the oil tank.
Oh, on the scavenge side.
So when you're getting your oil out of the pump and going back into the tank, we want to make sure that the oil going back into the tank is as clean as it possibly can. So if you do have something that goes on with your engine, or you do get some debris, we want to keep that out of the tank and recirculating into your pump and then going back into your engine.
Right, so extending pump life and then giving the engine less particulate before it gets to the main filter, or the pressure filter. And what micron rating do you run these filters?
We make these in 45 to 100 micron in the stainless element, but we also do a cellulose element that is a 1020 micron. Typically what you're going to see on most race engines, they're running a 2050 or a 1040, so you're going to be running a 60 micron filter or a 45. And then with the scavenge oil return, we'll typically do a 100 micron filter to keep that debris out of the tank.
Okay, so the filter sizing may be application dependent, so we would call and see which element is going to work better for that customer.
A lot of your filter micron requirements are going to be dependent upon your oil weight that you run and your rod main bearing clearances.